तो आपकी कुछ फेवरेट, आपकी कौन सी ये फेवरेट टीम्स हैं, फेवरेट डायरेक्टर्स हैं, कौन है ये लोग?
यार I loved working with Ali Fazan अभी in बंदे एक डोर से. I loved working with Ehsan Talish, Alif Allah और इंसान.
Yeah, I worked with him.
He's phenomenal. I loved working with Badr Mahmood because again वो आपको इतना comfortable कर देते हैं, आपको environment मिलती है. I've worked with Samad Khusat very briefly. वो मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया. So there's a few जिनके साथ मैंने काम.
I think वो directors जो आपको कहते हैं तुम क्या सोच रही हो?
तुम क्या सोच रही हो? But you're the artist ना. You're creating something. It's your baby.
Yeah.
So yeah, जब आप पे भरोसा करते हैं तो it's nice.
उष्णा, आप एक लाइफ पार्टनर में क्या ढूंढती हैं?
You know, अब मैंने इस चीज़ के बारे में ज़्यादा सोचना छोड़ दिया है. But I think एक certain level of integrity और honesty और of course loyalty और बाकी चीज़ें फिर superficial हो जाती हैं. But I think जो basic pillars हैं वो यही हैं.
Integrity, honesty और loyalty.
Loyalty and you know just to be on the same sort of wavelength as me जहाँ तक ambitions concerned हैं और सब कुछ. लेकिन I would want to be with someone who's a good person. That's very important. And believe it or not, it's very rare.
Have you been through heartache, heartbreak?
100%. 100%. Lots of heartache. And it's been great. It's been the best kind of lesson because it makes you grow, it makes you be a better person, it makes you more empathetic. I think जब तक आप किसी चीज़ में से गुजरे ना हो, आप realize नहीं कर सकते कि मतलब empathy तभी आती है ना जब आप एक चीज़ में से गुजरे हो, when you can really relate. कुछ लोग होते हैं that are empathetic without having gone through certain things, and that's great. You know, I aspire to be such a person also. I try to be. But I think heartbreak is really important to form you into a good human and a better partner. And yeah, I've been through my share.
It's amazing because, you know, I know that shiny appearances are not always shiny and there's a lot going on internally. But you're so bubbly. Whenever I meet you a lot now that I'm in Karachi. I see you a lot. And I wouldn't be able to tell. You know, I wouldn't.
Yeah, because I think I look at it differently. Ek time tha where whatever I was going through in my personal life would seep into the way I was with other people, the way I would work, the way I would. So abhi bhi hota hai, if your heart is aching, you're not going to be in the best mood all the time, and I don't aspire to cover myself up all the time. Lekin ab ek to I'm very good at compartmentalizing.
Yeah.
And dusra, I've also healed. Things don't affect me the way they used to, because that aspect of life is just one aspect of many. It's just that, it's an aspect, you know. So it doesn't take over the other compartments that are befriending people, and you know. And again, I embrace heartache, and I feel like anything that ever happens for an absolute reason. And it's there to shape you, and the more you try to hold on to something, the worse it is, because you're not allowing the universe to sort of do what's right for you. So, जो भी अब ये एडवाइस मैं यंग लड़कियों को ख़ास तौर पे देना चाहूँगी, हमारे कल्चर में स्पेशली, हर कल्चर में, लेकिन हमारे कल्चर में आपकी सेल्फ वर्थ आप कई दफ़ा आप अपने रिलेशनशिप से डिफ़ाइन करते हैं. मेरा फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, आई कम फ्रॉम अ डिवोर्स्ड होम, सो फॉर अ गुड चंक ऑफ माई टीन्स and almost all of my 20s now, my self-worth would be defined subconsciously by the relationship I'd be in. And अगर वो चीज़ नहीं काम करती तो कई दफ़ा, हमेशा नहीं, because I've also been the heartbreaker and I've also been the jaded person, and you go through all these phases, right? But a lot of times losing someone or having to finish something would be so painful that it would make me question everything. And now, so what I really want young girls to understand is that particular element does not define you. और जिस second आप इस romantic element को इतनी importance देना छोड़ देंगे, in the sense कि आपको बाकी के हिस्से को define करता है, उस वक्त आप इतना grow करेंगे, जिस वक्त आप अपने आप से इतनी मोहब्बत करेंगे, तब आप ऐसी energy radiate करेंगे कि सही चीज़ें आपकी ज़िंदगी में आ जाएंगी. लेकिन कभी भी किसी दूसरे शख्स को, चाहे वो आपका कोई बॉयफ्रेंड हो या चाहे वो आपका कोई दोस्त हो, कई दफ़ा चाहे वो आपका कोई फैमिली मेम्बर हो, इतना सर पे सवार ना करें और इतना अपने ऊपर हावी ना रखें कि आपकी ख़ुद की ज़िंदगी ख़राब हो जाए और आपकी अपनी डेफिनेशन सेल्फ वर्थ की क्वेश्चन हो. Because it's happened with me with best friends, it's happened with me with family members. Okay, if there's a problem there, it would define me. Am I a good person? Is there something wrong with me? Am I? और फिर वो questions आपकी बाकी चीज़ों में आते हैं. मैं एक point, मेरा एक phase था कुछ साल पहले where I was so depressed, I was so angry, I was so insecure, I was a mess because of external factors. So वो चीज़ कभी भी किसी को, और मुझे एक दफ़ा I was really heartbroken once, somebody had betrayed me and I happened to speak to Ehsan Bhai, Ehsan the director, Rahim. And Ehsan Rahim, yeah, I was talking about something and I started crying and I was like, and he said something to me, this is 4 years ago, that should become your mantra. उन्होंने कहा कि किसी भी, फिर उन्होंने गाली दी, किसी भी bleep को इतनी इम्पोर्टेंस ना दो कि तुम्हारी हालत इतनी बुरी हो जाए. तो ये चीज़ लोग अपना मैंट्रा बना लें कि किसी भी इंसान को, किसी भी को इतनी इम्पोर्टेंस ना दें कि आपकी हालत बुरी हो जाए. अगर आप एक ऐसी फैमिली में हैं कि आपके कुछ फैमिली मेम्बर्स टॉक्सिक हैं या उनका अपना ट्रामा है वो आप पे उतार रहे हैं, तो उनको भी इंटरनली इतनी इम्पोर्टेंस ना दें कि आप अपनी बुरी हालत इतनी कर लें, अपने आप को पत्थर बना लें. इन दैट सेंस, सो आई थॉट दैट वाज ग्रेट एडवाइस.
I mean, all of these things that you're saying, like, you've obviously internalized so much of this.
Yeah, it's a great process. Yeah. Self-growth, self-discovery, self-learning is such a beautiful process. Self-education, itni zabardast art hai, and I'm enjoying every second of it. I have been on this journey for a while now, for some years.
And I think इसीलिए औरतें जो काम करती हैं वो busy रहती हैं और उनकी शनाख्त कायम रहती है. अपनी शनाख्त को कायम रखना मेरा ख्याल है बहुत ज़रूरी चीज़ है.
बहुत ज़रूरी है. अगर आप काम नहीं भी करें, if you choose to stay at home, तब भी आप अपनी एक शनाख्त अपने आप से बनाएं. मतलब किसी के साथ अटैच होके ना बनाएं. दो लोग इकट्ठे हो सकते हैं, ज़रूरी नहीं है कि दो लोग एक sort of entity बन जाएं.
But you are now very consciously, I feel like you read something but you try and apply it. That's what I'm hearing and seeing, and I've been hanging out with you, so I
give it a shot. I think a lot about things. Yeah. I like to process things in a more objective sort of way.
Yeah. What are some qualities in a man that you find really sexy?
I like men who are secure, because एक मसला है हमारी सोसाइटी में कि men are really attracted to independent women, and women who are who can take care of themselves, but then they want to take away that same thing once they have them. Again, it becomes about possession. So I like men who are secure, जो ऐसा नहीं करते हैं. Secure enough कि वो आपकी success और आपकी shine से dissuade नहीं होते, So security, self-assurance and self-security in a man, I find very sexy. I love chivalry.
Okay.
I'm a big fan of hygiene.
Nice, so am I.
Yeah, right. You need to be well taken care of.
To the point where I'm a little extreme.
Oh yeah? Yeah, I am too a little bit. And I think that's an okay thing.
I think it's about control and all these very, very complicated things.